Hello, friends. Welcome to the last episode of our November data cleaning activities. So, in this fourth episode of the data cleaning, we are looking at a data set that comes from dplyr called Star Wars. So, we are going to follow the same procedures. You call up the library containing the data set using the library function. We run that. It has been loaded. Next, you want to check for whatever variables or datasets are existing within the package using the data function. So as you can see, we're having all these, but what we are interested in is the Star Wars dataset. So we have to load it using the data function, load Star Wars, save it as star, and the purpose for this is to ensure that your original dataset is kept just in case something goes wrong and you perhaps delete something you were not interested in deleting and you need to recover it. You can always go back to it. Next, let's find out what the Star Wars tells us. Come to the help window. So Star Wars API, we have a table of 87 rows, 14 variables. Name of the character, height, weight in kilograms, hair color, skin color, eye color, the birth year, sex, gender, the gender role or gender identity of the character as determined by their personality, homeworld, species, films, vehicles, starships. Okay, let's return. So, first things first, we are loading our packages. What can help us to do our cleaning? We run that. Our packages are loaded. Let's proceed. We perform data validation. We use the view function, passing in the variable, the data set of interest at star. So we have name, as you can see the rows, height, numeric, mass numeric, hair color is a string, skin color, string as well, eye color string, birth year, numeric, the sex is string, gender string, homeworld string, species string, films, vehicles, starships, all strings. Okay. Now, if you want to see the structure, you use the glimpse function that appears in the console window. So from here you can tell the different types of variables. So we are having three lists. We are having string variables, we are having numeric variables recorded as doubles, that is decimal values, and integer non-decimal values. Okay. Then we check for missing values using the NA function, passing in the star dataset. So as you can see in the console window, it's true. So meaning our dataset does have what? Missing values. So which columns have missing values? We use the call sums function to get to know that. So here again in the console window, we are having height, we are having hair color, mass, birth year, sex, homeworld, gender, species as the variables that are having missing values. Then we have categorical columns. Oh, beg your pardon. To handle the missing values, begin with the missing values and replacing them with unknown for the homeworld, species, gender, and then none for sex and hair color. So we're going to run these. Say run. We get all of this. Now, if we check for missing values in any of these variables, now we should be getting no missing what? No missing values in those columns. So as you can see, the hair color now has nothing. Homeworld 0, species 0, sex, where are you? Sex 0. Then for the numeric columns, we are using the median value to fill in the NA values. So to begin with, you calculate the median values of each of the numeric variables, setting NA dot remove to true so that the calculation can be carried out. So as we can see, for the height we have 180, for median we have 79, and for birth year we have 52. So we are replacing these values into the NA column, rows I mean. So when we run this and we check for NA values in our data set, we should be able to have 0 or false. Sorry, missed a bracket there. So we have false. That's it, friends, for this episode of the data cleaning activities. I hope you have had an interesting journey throughout this month of November. Looking forward to something new and exciting come December. So keep on the lookout for new release as we continue to learn and grow and better ourselves. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, please like and subscribe to the channel so that you're notified of new releases as soon as they are published. Thank you. Have a great day. Happy learning.